All right, everybody, Tony T here, and I'm back again, and we're going to the Cherami. We're going to spot a bridge. Let's go see what we can catch. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I caught 3 nice ones, and I just missed one. I wanted to make sure I was going to catch something before I turn the camera on. Maybe they're just getting started. I'm not sure, but let's see if we can catch us a few. Off that cypress knee. Nice one too. Little dark meal's moving up. Pretty fish. Looks like it's getting good. Looks like it's getting good. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That is what I'm looking for. Pretty. Cypress knee over here. Something. Right on the cypress knee. Right on that cypress knee. Nice dark meal. That's a good fish. That's what I'm looking for. That's a good one. Oh yeah. There we go. Nice. Oh, got dark. And he will not come on hooked. Alright, finally got him. Pretty fish. He's going a live well. another one off the trees. Oh, and he snapped my line. My line snapped. Whoa. But I did not lose the fish. He's still on there. Where's my bait? Oh, there it is. Well, didn't plan on it, but I guess I'm retying. Got another. Fish are all on trees. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Come on, little buddy. Nice slab. That wind is killer. Let's go ahead and put this baby up. It's number 13 for the day. All it takes to place that bait in the right spot. Oh my God, this is amazing. Look at the size of this thing. That is a nice fish. That is a very nice fish. Look how thick. This one tree I can even cast inside of it. Like that. And got another one. Easy. Some nice fish too. That's pretty. That's what I'm looking for. I think the last one I just caught was about 20. I got about 20, but I caught a lot of them earlier. Black and silver curly tail with a chartreuse crappie psychic trailer.
You caught them in here?
I caught my first 8 in here, and then I went to the other one. I picked up about 7, 8 more. That's it. They're not on the tree. I mean, they're not on the sticks and logs. Only on trees or something like that. A cypress knee. It's not a big one, but it's a keeper. It'll do. It'll make number 23 for the day. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Medium. That's a medium. But it'll work. Like they're just starting to turn on. That's number 25. That's number 26. That's a pretty good one. That is a pretty fish. It's just starting to get good. Number 27. And this is a black nose. Big one too. Look at that racing stripe on that thing there. Oh, good fish. And as y'all can see, this is what I'm using. My normal bait that I've always used. And there's no live scope on this boat right now. It's in my compartment. I haven't even hooked it up today because it's not needed. I was a little late on setting the hook, but oh, that's a big fish too. That is a good one. That's another black nose with the racing stripe. Beautiful fish. Oh, there's a fish there. I didn't hook him. He may bite again. He bit again. There we go. If you don't hook them, they seem to bite again. If you hook them, that's it. That was your chance. Good fish. There's a stump underwater. I doubt y'all could see it. I just know it's there. So I've been fishing here the last few days. Alright guys, it was a great day. I caught plenty of fish. I got over 40 sacalait. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And maybe something y'all seen today will help you out in the future. Later.